I tried 10-foot pole saws, 12-foot pole saws. I couldn't find anything that would work. I bought this 20-foot pole saw. I got clear up there in the tree. I'm standing way here on this hill. See how this hill is? It's hard to get to anything. I had a power line up here. I'll go show you some of the logs that I chopped through, and this saw went through logs that were 5 inches around, 6 inches around, something like that. I'll show you the actual trees. This is some of the stuff I cut down. And then these are the logs. And see, you can see it's as wide as my hand. And I cut through that sucker with that silly saw. And the weight of it, you know, at least pulled it down. Then I had to saw through back here with that saw. And you have to be careful when you get it clear all the way out because it is a little wobbly, but boy, it does the job.